Getting a Mexican visa appointment is pretty easy thing to do. Today, we are going to talk about how you guys can get an appointment for your Mexican visa. You have to be at any of the browser of your choice, and you just have to search or Google Mexico visa appointment booking. And now after searching this, you just have to go to this second website, which is appointment sre.gov.mx, and here you guys will be able to see this page, and now there you guys can tell that they want us to redirect to new page. So I'm just going to click on this link and it will take us to this page. And in this page, you just have to create an account. I'm just going to continue. You just have to create an account. And after creating the account, you guys will be able to see the dates available for the booking for appointment. You just have to create an account, book an appointment by just clicking on that and clicking on book. If you guys have already account, you guys should have been able to see booking calendar. You just have to select the date in which you want your appointment to be, and then you just have to click on book. So that's how you guys can book an appointment for your Mexico visa. Hope you guys find this video helpful.